welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another important video connecting with certain suggestive question for the subject MPA for BCom third semester student. Here in this video we shall discuss about Unit 3 Organizing. Organizing is basically a vast chapter, so it is very difficult to give certain confined topics, out of which I have suggested certain question. Hope it definitely benefit you all. The first foremost question I have given the meaning of organizing. What is organizing? We have to know. After that, also study about the different principles of organizing. Next question is difference between formal and informal organization. Already we have studied. Also you study regarding their advantages and disadvantages of formal and informal organization. Okay, certain short notes I have forwarded, like different types of organization, line and staff organization, committee pattern organization, matrix organization, and another short notes I have forwarded, span of management. Next question, you can go through the difference between delegation and decentralization. Many students get confused what is the meaning of delegation and what is the meaning of decentralization. So you prepare a proper answer of delegation and decentralization. Next, go for the advantages and disadvantages of delegation. Okay, why delegation is important, what are the benefits of delegation, and also prepare about the disadvantage for delegation, how things becomes delay. Okay, the time it is the at emergency, how it is problem it creates. Okay, in this way prepare advantages and disadvantages of delegation. Okay, hope this video will help you all for clearing Unit 3 Organizing. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.